Good morning, children. In the previous class, we studied about the basic concepts of English grammar. In this class, we will come to know about sentences. A group of words becomes a sentence only when it makes complete sense. Sentences are used in 4 different ways: to make statements, to ask questions, to make requests, give orders, advice, suggestions, etc., and to make exclamations. We can say that a sentence is a group of words which makes a complete sense. A sentence always begins with a capital letter. Let's start with the first kind of sentence, that is statements. A statement is a sentence that states an action, a fact, or a happening. It may be an affirmative or a negative sentence, as the woodcutter was cutting wood on the bank of a river. This is an action. The earth is round. This is a fact. Our country is suffering from the disease COVID-19. This is happening. The above sentences state an action, a fact, and a happening respectively. So, they are statements. A statement ends in a full stop. Statements declare or assert something. They are known as declarative or assertive sentences also. Now, questions. A question is a sentence that asks something, as what color is the sky? How are you feeling now? Is the earth round or flat? Each of the above sentence is used for asking a question. They are known as interrogative sentences. An interrogative sentence always ends in a question mark. Now the next is imperative sentences. Imperative sentences express orders, requests, advice, or proposals, as be quiet. This is an order. Please listen to me, a request. Obey your parents, advice. Let us go boating in the canal, proposal. An imperative sentence always ends in a full stop. Now, exclamatory sentences. An exclamation expresses a sudden strong feeling or emotion of joy, sorrow, wonder, regret, contempt, or approval, etc., as hooray, we have won the match, joy. Alas, my friend is no more, sorrow. What a lovely sight, wonder. How foolish I have been, regret. What a dirty child, contempt. Well done, my son, approval. An exclamatory sentence has an exclamation mark. So we came to know about the kinds of sentences. There are 4 kinds of sentences: assertive, imperative, interrogative, and exclamatory. Now let us know about the parts of a sentence. When we write or speak something, we choose a noun first of all. Then we choose a doing word to suit that noun. The noun acts as the doer of an action which the doing word describes. So there are 2 main words in a sentence: doer of the action, which is called the subject; action or the doing word, which is called the verb. So a sentence has 2 main parts. One part centers around the subject and the other centers around the verb. The part linked with the subject is called the subject, while the part linked with the verb is called the predicate. See this sentence. Geeta played carom all day. In the above sentence, Geeta is the doer of the action, so it is the subject. The subject of a sentence is the word or word group that does an action or about which something is said. Now come to the predicate. Look at the same sentence. Geeta played carom all day. In the above sentence, Geeta was the subject and played carom all day is the predicate. The predicate of a sentence is the word or word group that says something about the subject or express the action done by the subject. We came to know that a sentence has two main parts, the subject and the predicate. The subject is the word or group of words that does an action or about which something is said. The predicate is the word or group of words that says something about the subject or expresses the action done by the subject. We also came to know that sentences are used in 4 different ways. They are to make statements, to ask questions, to make requests, give orders, advice, suggestions, etc. and to make exclamations.